Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a very effective home remedy how to get spotless and whitening face. To make this remedy, we need tomato. Then blend the tomato to get juice. Now take a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato juice. Add 1 tablespoon of Colgate. Now mix this paste very well. This home remedy will help you to get natural beauty skin and it will remove spots from your face. Now apply this home remedy on your face and keep it on your face for 3 to 4 minutes. Friends, thanks for watching our videos and bye bye.